Ooh, Michael, you have candy? Then what are you eating?
Oh, bro, it's just Ludens, okay?
Oh, do you have a cough?
No.
Sore throat?
Uh-uh.
So why are you eating all those?
I don't know, bro. My stomach hurts like really bad, but that wild cherry is just deliciously soothing.
Can I have some?
Oh, no, bro. Get your own.
Jeez, slow down. You know, Michael, that's like medicine for your throat. Like a drug.
What?
With the number you're eating, I mean, it's kind of like you're abusing drugs.
Oh, no. But I'm in the DARE program.
Michael, do you need help?
Ah!
That's what I thought.